my channel, Crystal's channel for the love of luxury. I wanted to share with you guys my first unboxing of 2023. I've had a few unboxings that I did video, but for whatever reason or another, they didn't actually turn out very well. So I didn't end up posting them. And I only like to do unboxings as, you know, I'm seeing it, you're seeing it. So one thing is, as you know, being in Dubai, that in order to get our beloved handbags, which is our Hermes bags, you do have to spend a certain amount of money, which is different for each bag. So at Hermes in particular, you have certain spend limits in order to reach these targets. So to be fair, I just go shopping, and whatever is in this bag, I would have bought maybe a month ago, and I'm just going to be opening it with you at the same time, which is kind of exciting. It's like year-round Christmas for me. So I'm wondering, it could be shoes that I chose, and I know this sounds also crazy to people, but because you have to reach these targets to get the bags that you want, it's so competitive in Dubai that sometimes you just end up buying things you don't even, it's not that you don't like them, you usually love what you're getting, but you don't actually, at least in my case, remember what it is you chose. So I'm pretty lucky to be able to do that, not remembering what I buy, but I know I'm not the only one here who has that situation. Oh my God, this is crazy, so beautiful. Clearly I have good taste even when I don't remember what I'm shopping for. So basically I have bought the iconic and sparkling Mosaique. This is paying homage to the floor at the 24 Faubourg location, which is the first store that Hermes opened in Paris. It's actually super beautiful. If you ever get the chance in your life to go, I try to visit every time I'm in Paris, even though I actually shop at the Jean Georges one, opposite the Four Seasons. So it's a bit smaller, but that's the one that I have my account with. But just the same, I like to actually go to, there's a few there. So look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. This is actually so beautiful. It's the classic, well, it's the coffee set. I don't think I got the tea set. Pretty sure this was the coffee one, just because I'm actually a coffee drinker, not a huge tea drinker, even though I've just got an incredible tea set that I'll have to share with you guys in another video, because most of my friends, actually a lot, are British or Irish, and they love tea until they try my coffee, of course, which is amazing. But guys, this is just so beautiful. I love this set. So to be fair, here's a plate with the standard H. I don't want to drop it on my floor. Isn't that so beautiful, you guys? Oh my God, I love it. I'm gonna have to probably go and get another set, just because I generally have at least 4 guests over. So, you know, I'll have to purchase another set. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It's just, it's so beautiful. This is like a really happy unboxing. So clearly, I mean, I'm picking out pieces that I love, and I'm going to use. I'm sure I'll have another tea party coming up soon before the weather gets hot in Dubai. And yeah, I will definitely be putting these out. I love the gold option as well. Of course, they have the silver, which would actually suit my house better, because I have a large, more silver theme with a bit of fusion of gold, but I don't know. These classic ones are just perfect. So thank you for joining. And I hear somebody's actually at my house. I need to go check the door. So thank you so much for watching my short and sweet video, and be sure to tune in for my next one. I have a few more unboxings coming up for the month of March. So Have a wonderful day and leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think of the Hermes coffee set. I don't know if this is the tea or the coffee. I'll get confirmation on that, but I'm pretty sure it's the coffee. See you guys next time.